Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're gonna change the lights on this Toyota 2015 Tacoma. We're gonna put these LED white lights. We're gonna replace the lights on the license plate and also the interior lights in the cabin. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. There's only like one screw. So this one just pops out. Just gotta kind of twist it. This is the bulb that was in there. And we're gonna switch this bulb with the LED bulb. And also, these bulbs, they just slide right in. Okay. And so when you put these LED lights on, they only go on one way. So basically you have to kind of like flip it and then turn on the key, turn on the headlights, make sure the light comes on. If it doesn't, flip it the other way again and then try it again. Okay. So the lights are on. I hope you can tell. Alright, I just did one side. I'm going to show you how I did it. I did this side, and after do this side, I'll show you how I did that one. This is what it looks like. This is the LED and regular bulb. Alright. Okay, well, I'll start on this side. You can use a flat screwdriver like this. I have this pry bar for panels, and then you start on this side. Pry this over. Okay, it pops out, and then there it goes. Alright. See, so this is what it looks like. It's just like this. See, it goes on like this. Okay. And then to get this bulb out, it's pretty snug in there. So what I did was, I don't know if you can tell, easy part of the bulb in there. I use this and I kind of wedge it in there, and then you can like kind of like pop it out slowly. Just catch like the back of the bulb. I put the phone down. Okay, I got the bulb out. Okay, so what I was doing was I used this tool and I tried to wedge it in there and then catch the lip, the bulb. Okay, and I just push it down. And then that's how I did it. I just wedged it up in there. The bulb and then just wiggle it down. Okay, so these LED bulbs, they can only be turned on one way. So you just gotta try, like just put them in one way and then turn it on. If it doesn't work, then flip it over and then turn it on again. Alright, let's try. Okay, so it's in. Let's turn it on. Nope, it doesn't turn on. Turn it off. Flip it. flipped it. Alright, turned on. Okay. And then I have to put this back on. Okay. Try to put it back the same way. Start on this end first and then pop in this end after. Press in. And use that part in. Alright, that's it. Yep. Alright. See it. Nice. Now time to do this one. There's a little hole right there. A little slot. Put your pry bar in there. Okay. See what it looks like with the old one. Just pry it down. And that's what happened. Okay. That's the bulb. Just use my tool again. If you don't have the plastic tool, maybe use a fat screwdriver. Maybe put like tape all over it so you don't break it. Put the bulb out. Looks like old bulb and the LED bulb. Alright, so the same thing again. After you try it on one side and turn it on, see if it turns on. Turns on. First try. Twist it up. Nice. And then alright, thanks for watching. I'll leave in the description where I purchased these LED lights. Alright.